Making this icon rotation graphic in DaVinci Resolve takes us hours. So I have gone ahead and made it into a preset for you guys. First, what you have to do is go in the description of this video, or you can click right here. Here you will be taken to my website. Here you just have to scroll down and you will see this plugin. Just go ahead and buy this. Add to cart and you can check out. Just fill the details and it will be sent to your email. Then what you have to do is just go ahead and right click the icon rotation and it will be downloaded in your DaVinci Resolve. Go and change the settings. You can change it to vertical, you can change it to horizontal. Depends on your choice. I'm going to use the short form format, the vertical format. You can go in effects, go in generator. You can either search or you can just open this drop down and go in the Resolve Collective and you can find this icon rotator. So when you have this in your timeline, just go and check these controls. As you can see, you can visit my website from here, as well as you can control it from the overall controls. Overall control helps you with this. You can increase or decrease the number of icons. You can also change the speed. This is the constant speed. When I will play it, this will continue playing in a constant speed. If you want to increase it, just increase the value to, let's say, 200 and you will have it at twice the speed. Similarly, you also have custom speed here. If you don't want to use the continuous speed, just remove this keyframe and then you will see it will not move. You can just then keyframe this, and let's say you want a keyframe here. Just go here and increase its value to, let's say, 200 or 300, let's say, and you can go in keyframes, open keyframe editor, click here and you will have this. Select it and add the handles, change the easing in out of it, something like this, let's say, and then as you see here, it will give you a smooth animation which you can keyframe. If you want to change the size, you also have ellipse size control. That is the overall control for that. Other than that, you can also change the center of it. You can change the size like this. You can also change the angle if you want to. These are all the overall transform. Okay. Then what you have is a circle control. Here you can have this type of circle. You can increase the thickness of it or decrease the thickness of it and change the size according to this. So you have something like this rotating. Okay. Then if you want to add icons in these white backgrounds, just go here and open. Let's say you want to add some icons. You can use something like these. Just add these, and here you will have these type of controls. You can change the size as well as the center and all that, if the whole icon is not visible or something like that. And if you want to change the background image, in our case I don't think this is a PNG, but you have to use a PNG for that. You can just decrease it to black and change the alpha as well, something like this. So you have something which is rotating without the white background. Okay, so we have that option as well. Similarly, all of the below versions have the same for setting. Just go here, add, let's say, this one, change the size, and you're good to go. Same, everything is same. And if you go in the controls, decrease the number to, let's say, 2, then you will only have 2 of these. Okay. Then you also have the transform for this one. You can increase the size or you can decrease the size. You can keyframe it if you want to. Let's say something like this, right? If it is animated, yeah, you can animate it from here. You can change the size, you can change individually, you can change all of the icons. And as you can see, icon 1 to 6 we have here. We also have the number of icons to 6 to add. You can change the radius of it to get the area you want to use it in, as well as change the size to get something like this, or you can just disable it or add something of your own. That is your choice. So I think I've explained how this works, and I hope you can use it in your project. It is free. You can go download it, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I will be uploading more of these. That's all guys. I hope you have a good day.